Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new lesson, and this lesson is from history. The lesson number 2nd, New Kings and Kingdom. The first lesson we learned about that. This year we are going to learn about the medieval history, medieval period history. History is divided into 3 periods: ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. The 7th standard history is from medieval period history. So let's start this lesson. The early medieval period in India witnessed the rise of several new kingdoms both in North and South India. Some of the kingdoms were small, but few were quite large. North India was divided into large number of states ruled by Rajputs, while the states in South India were ruled by different dynasties of the Pallavas, the Cholas, and the Rashtrakutas, etc. So the medieval India witnessed several new kingdom and kings, and in North India mainly. North India was divided into large number of states and ruled by Rajputs, and South India were ruled by Pallavas, Cholas, and Rashtrakutas. North India was ruled by Rajputs, and South India were ruled by different dynasties like the Pallavas, Cholas, and Rashtrakutas. So the division of the country into small states affected negatively in the society, economy, and culture of the country, because the rulers of the small states were always busy in fighting with each other and gave the opportunities for foreign invaders to exploit the country. So these small new kings and kingdoms, they were fighting with each other. It was a good opportunity for the foreign invaders, those who wanted to attack India. उन लोगों के लिए ये एक ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी है, क्योंकि दिस स्मॉल स्टेट्स वेर ऑलवेज बिजी इन फाइटिंग विथ ईच अदर. That's why the country was weakened by the exploitation of the Arabs, the Turks, the Mongols, and Portuguese, then the Dutch, the English, and the French. So this was the great opportunity for these foreigners like Arabs, Turks, Mongols, Portuguese, English, Dutch, French people के लिए it was a great opportunity, because in India these small kings were busy within the fighting with each other. उन्होंने वो opportunity देके इंडिया को अटैक किया, जो भी foreigners इंडिया में आ गया ऐसा. Okay. New dynasties. The main kingdoms flourished are discussed below. And now we are going to learn about the new dynasties. First one, Palas. We are going to learn about the new dynasties like Palas, Rashtrakutas, and Gurjara Pradigaras. So the first one is Palas. The powerful Palas ruled eastern India up to the middle to the 9th century over the region covered by the present day states of Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. So this Palas actually इंडिया की ईस्टर्न पार्ट में रूल किया, एंड प्रेजेंट डे में हम बताएंगे तो बिहार, झारखंड एंड वेस्ट बंगाल में उन लोग रूल किया. द पाला किंगडम एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय द Gobala. Gobala was the first king. He established the Pala kingdom, and his son Dharmapala conquered Kanauj from the Gurjara Pratigaras. And Gobala's son was Dharmapala, and Dharmapala's son was Devapala. He extended the kingdom to today's Assam and part of Nepal and Odisha. ये जो प्लेस तक ये एक्चुअली दिस किंगडम एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन बिहार, झारखंड एंड वेस्ट बंगाल. देन गोबाला एस्टैब्लिश्ड दिस किंगडम. उसकी गोबाला की सन देवपाला, धर्मपाला, उसका सन है देवपाला. वो एक्सटेंड करके किंगडम को नेपाल, उड़ीसा, आसाम, वहाँ तक ये किंगडम को लेके गया. The palace were succeeded by the rulers of Sena dynasty who ruled until the Muslims defeated them. So पालास के बाद में सेना डायनास्टी आ गया. जब मुस्लिम्स इंडिया में आके अटैक किया तब तक सेना डायनास्टी रूल किया ये जो एरिया. दिस पालास वेर द ग्रेट पेटेंट्स ऑफ act, architecture and literature as they followed Buddhism. Buddhist monasteries at Vikramshila and Nalanda became famous all over the world during this reign. So this palace, they were supported the art, architecture and literature, and their religion Buddhism they, and many Buddhist monasteries also they built. नालंदा विक्रमशिला ये सब फेमस है. ये फेमस ये जो पाला रूलर्स का टाइम में नालंदा एंड विक्रमशिला became famous all over the world. So this all about the Palas. Next kingdom है Rashtrakutas. Dandivarman founded Rashtrakuta dynasty. The Pala dynasty was established by Gobala. Like that, the Rashtrakuta dynasty was founded by Dandivarman. And Dandivarman, actually he was not a king. He was the feudatory chief of the Chalukyas. Chalukyas करके एक डायनास्टी है. उसके एक ऑफिसर थे ये जो दांडीवर्मन, who declared himself as an independent king on the वो खुद अपने आप को एक किंग करके डिक्लेयर किया चालुक्य किंगडम में. Then Govinda II, Amoghavasha and Krishna II were the other well-known Rashtrakuta rulers. Okay, Rashtrakuta dynasty was founded by Dandivarma. Actually, he was not a king. He was the feudatory chief of Chalukyas and he declared himself as a king. And ये जो डायनास्टी के इम्पोर्टेंस किंग हैं गोविंदा II, अमोघवर्षा and Krishna II. The Rashtrakutas fought with Prathiharas and Palas for the control of the city of Kanauj. Once Rashtrakuta king Dhruva defeated Prathihara king Vatsarajan but could not retain Kanauj for a longer duration due to disturbance in their own state. एक टाइम में ये राष्ट्रकूटास प्रतिहारा से ये जो कानौज करके तो दिस कानौज वाज द इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेस वो कैप्चर किया लेकिन ज़्यादा दिन अपने पास नहीं रख पाया. They also, this Rashtrakutas also encouraged art, learning, and they built various monuments like Kailasanada temple at Ellora. This was built by Rashtrakuta rulers. And they maintained trade relation with the foreign countries. The state was prosperous and patronized Hinduism, Jainism and Buddhism. They also allowed Muslim merchants to settle in their kingdom and allowed to follow their Islam religion. These Rashtrakuta rulers, they encouraged the art and literature, and not only that, this kingdom was very prosperous kingdom, and they encouraged the Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, these all religion they encouraged. And इवन मुस्लिम मर्चेंट को भी अपने प्लेस में अपनी किंगडम में सेटल करने का परमिशन भी दिया. नॉट ओनली दैट, दे अलाउड टू फॉलो देयर इस्लाम रिलीजन. यदि पीपल को इस्लाम रिलीजन फॉलो करना है तो वो भी राष्ट्रकूटा रूलर्स अलाउड किया. सो वी लर्न अबाउट पालास. द पालास किंगडम फाउंडेड बाय Gobala. Then next kingdom was Rashtrakutas. Then third kingdom Gurjara Prathiharas. The Prathihara ruler ruled over western India including Avanti and parts of Assam till the middle of the 10th century. So we learned that Palas ruled in Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Rashtrakutas ruled in the southern part of India. Then Gurjara Prathiharas ruled western part of India, Rajasthan, and Avanti and parts of Rajasthan में. They become famous after defeating the foreigners, mainly the Arabs. The first ruler of this dynasty, Nagapata, defeated the Arabs of Sindh. Actually this गुर्जरा प्रतिहारास फेमस इसलिए हुआ कि उन लोग ने अरब रूलर्स को द फॉरेनर्स अरब्स को डिफीट किया, उसकी वजह से दे बिकम वेरी फेमस. देन उसमें एक इम्पोर्टेंट किंग है राजा भोजा was the one of the most famous Pradihara ruler. Then he was the devotee of Vishnu and took the title of Adivarsha. Raja Bhoja was the famous king of this dynasty and he was the devotee of Vishnu god Vishnu का एक devotee थे and उन्होंने खुद एक टाइटल लिया हुआ है आदिवर्षा. उसका टाइम में उसका सन है महेंद्रपाला के समय में ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ हिज सन महेंद्रपाला द प्रतिहारा किंगडम स्प्रेडेड फॉर हिमालयास इन द नॉर्थ टू द विंध्यास इन द साउथ एंड फ्रॉम बंगाल टू गुजरात. उसकी राजा भोजा के सन है महेंद्रपाला का टाइम में ये किंगडम वैसा एक्स्टैब्लिश हो गया हिमालय से विंध्या तक, नॉर्थ में हिमालय टू साउथ विंध्या तक, देन बंगाल टू गुजरात, इतनी एरिया इन लोगों का अंडर में थे. एंड more than 3 centuries of the rulership of Pratigara saw the development in art, culture, architecture, etc. More than 3 century 300 years से ज़्यादा वो रूल किया. एंड राजा मुंजा he was a gifted poet, poem लिखने वाले थे. and Raja Bhoja wrote many books on subject like medicine, religion, astronomy, grammar, architecture, etc. Raja Bhoja wrote many books and Raja Munja was a poet. And in 1018 Muhammad of Ghazni defeated the Pradihara ruler and the dynasty came to an end. So today we learn about the new dynasties of India. First one Palas, second Rashtrakutas. Palas ruled in Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Rashtrakutas ruled in South India. Then Gurjara Pratiharas ruled in the western side of India like Rajasthan. Actually Bengal से Gujarat